Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. I haven't been able to post any videos recently because I sprained my ankle, but it is getting better, and so I'm gonna start making new videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So in today's video, I'm gonna kind of go back to what we were doing in the last couple videos. I'm gonna put the whole Shim Sham together, so we're gonna go through the Shim Sham to the crossover to the Tack Annie and then the half break. Okay, so we're going to put the whole thing together. If you haven't watched my previous videos breaking those steps down, I would recommend watching those first and then coming back to this video to put it all together. Okay, so the Shim Sham starts on 8, right? So the whole thing, we're going to start on 8. So we are going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Okay, so let's give it a try. We're going to start slow and then we're going to try it a little bit faster. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Nice job. Okay, so that was the slower version. Let's go ahead and try it a little bit faster now. So one more time, a little bit faster. Let's go more this tempo. Let's see. 5, 6, 7. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Great, nicely done. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.